नमस्कार दोस्तों, हाजिर हूँ मैं आनंद राठी विजय के साथ चार्ट्स पे चर्चा के नए एपिसोड के साथ। वेलकम टू चार्ट्स पे चर्चा। लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इन स्टोर ऑफ द निफ्टी फॉर द कमिंग वीक। अगर आपको याद हो, लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया था जैसे कि 14,500 जो जनवरी में डिस्कस किया, जनवरी स्टार्टिंग में डिस्कस किया था, दिसंबर एंडिंग में सॉरी 14,500 तक निफ्टी जा सकता है और 14,500 निफ्टी ने अपना टारगेट किया है। लास्ट वीक में निफ्टी ने ना ही सिर्फ टारगेट कंप्लीट किया है, इनफैक्ट उसके ऊपर भी शूट ऑफ किया है ऑल द वे टूवर्ड्स 14,650 एंड देन क्लोज्ड अराउंड 14,450। अब इंटरेस्टिंग लास्ट वीक जो पैटर्न बना है निफ्टी में, आफ्टर मेनी डेज, यानी कि आफ्टर समझो दिसंबर के बॉटम के बाद निफ्टी ने वेडनेसडे के दिन एक हाई वॉल्यूम के साथ में एक मूव दिया था डाउन साइड में, एंड उसके बाद देयर वाज नो, पहली बार आफ्टर दिसंबर बॉटम जब निफ्टी ने प्रीवियस डे हाई को क्रॉस नहीं किया था, लो भी ब्रेक नहीं किया था, एंड फ्राइडे के दिन निफ्टी ने फॉलो थ्रू दिया वेडनेसडे के हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल के लो के नीचे, क्लोज किया एग्जैक्ट लो के नियर टू लोज, इनफैक्ट लोज के नीचे क्लोज किया है निफ्टी स्पॉट निफ्टी फ्यूचर बोथ, ट्राई टू डिफेंड किया ऊपर जाने के लिए, मगर एंड इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द वॉल्यूम्स हियर, वॉल्यूम्स भी बहुत हाई थे। और लास्ट एपिसोड में मैंने क्लियरली कहा था 1.2 प्लस 1.2 करोड़ के ऊपर वॉल्यूम आते हैं तो अलर्ट रहना चाहिए। एंड इफ यू ऑब्जर्व हियर, वेडनेसडे के वॉल्यूम थे 1 करोड़ 27 लाख एंड फ्राइडे के वॉल्यूम्स थे 1 करोड़ 44 लाख, यानी जब तक वॉल्यूम 1.2 के नीचे रहते थे तो चांसेस था अपमूव सस्टेन अच्छे से करने का। अभी क्या हुआ है, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे, इफ वी क्लब बोथ द मूव्स, we have seen good volumes and a sell candle both days, Wednesday and Friday. Thursday तो inside bar था and Friday का candle was follow through below the Wednesday lows, एक अच्छा लोज भी किया है उसने, जो मंडे का गैप था उसको भी फिल किया है, ये जो गैप था ये गैप को फिल किया था फ्राइडे के दिन एंड रिवर्स बैक। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम सितंबर के बॉटम के बाद में निफ्टी ने हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल बनाया है, सेलिंग दिया है, उसके बाद फॉलो थ्रू भी आया है, ये याद रखना चाहिए। ये था अक्टूबर का लोज, सितंबर का लोज, उसके बाद में जब भी निफ्टी ने हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल बनाया था, सॉरी अक्टूबर का लोज के बाद से, यहाँ पे जब हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल बनाया था तो फॉलो थ्रू नहीं था, यहाँ पे हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल बनाया निफ्टी ने सेलिंग में तो फॉलो थ्रू नहीं था। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम सिंस अक्टूबर बॉटम, यानी 11,500 आफ्टर 3,000 पॉइंट्स, मोर देन 3,000 पॉइंट्स के मूव के बाद फर्स्ट टाइम निफ्टी हैज गिवन ए फॉलो थ्रू सेलिंग बिलो द हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल एंड विद द हाई वॉल्यूम सेलिंग। इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि सेलर्स ने कुछ अपना पावर यहाँ पे दिखाया है आफ्टर 3,000 पॉइंट्स मूव, कुछ सप्लाई मिल रहा है निफ्टी को यहाँ पे। सो आगे के लिए क्या बन जाता है, व्हाट्स इंपॉर्टेंट गोइंग अहेड, 14,380 द फ्राइडेज लोज 14,370 380 एंड फ्राइडेज और लास्ट वीक्स हाई अराउंड 14,650। this there is a possibility, one possibility that market trades within this range of 14,370 on a lower side and 14,650 on a higher side, number one. Or there can be good possibility that Nifty, if sustains below 14,350, we can see a dip all the way till 14,000 13,900 zone, which is very important for the market. यानी कि 14,350 as long as is held, there is a good chance for the bulls to take over again after some pause or immediately. If 14,350 gives away and volumes are not more than Friday's volumes, then we may very much see 13,900 to 14,000 zone getting tested very soon. Not to forget, market will be opening Monday with two big events taking place, one ahead and one behind. That is, largest vaccine drive has started in India Saturday for the corona vaccine, and Wednesday or Thursday, new president of US will be taking charge. Indian market will be reacting to it on a Thursday, most likely. So two big events taking place back to back. And before that, we are seeing such high volume candle and a follow through selling, forming an important indication over here. A time to be little alert on a long side, have a tight stop loss, and as long as 13,900, 14,000 zone is held, this can be just a dip. But if this gives away, I mean, if at all 13,900 gives away in coming week itself, then don't be surprised. In fact, I won't be surprised to see Nifty testing 13,200, 13,100 zone within January series. This is a big ask, big expectation from my side, but I won't be surprised. If 13,900 goes away within next week, then 13,200, 13,100 zone may get tested within January. So interesting week ahead. We will have to watch after two on back-to-back two events and some good price action with volumes on a charts. Smart money might be taking some interest over here. And interesting is after next week, market might be looking ahead for the budget, which is on February 1st. So some big action is likely to happen on volume side also coming weeks. We need to be alert, tighten the stop loss on a long side. As of now, trend is on a long side. Only thing is we need to be alert, and 13,900, 14,000 zone is to be critically to be watched along with the volumes. Volumes should not surpass those of Friday's volumes of, which means volume should not be high than 1.5 crore going ahead. If bears should not be taking good control. Clear, Vijay?
Yes, yes.
लास्ट वीक का पैटर्न कुछ अच्छा क्लियर हुआ?
हाँ बिल्कुल. I think now is the time to be very cautious with long positions. Definitely.
या बैक जब सेलिंग फॉलो थ्रू आ
Correct.
रहा है तो एक अलर्ट इंडिकेशन
Yes.
बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द बैंक निफ्टी. बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट अगर देखो, लास्ट वीक बैंक निफ्टी ने निफ्टी से डिफरेंट परफॉर्म किया है वंस अगेन. उसके पहले के वीक में भी उसी बैंक निफ्टी ने वैसे ही किया था, लोअर डिक्रीजिंग वॉल्यूम के साथ में अपमूव आया था. एंड इफ यू ऑब्जर्व लास्ट वीक, बैंक निफ्टी ने वेडनेसडे के लोस के नीचे जब गया है, मगर पुल बैक करके क्लोज वाज above Wednesday's lows, and volumes were also less than Wednesday. And Bank Nifty is trying to defend as of now. Yani back to back 2 weeks of Bank Nifty is giving divergent moves compared to Nifty. So this becomes once again important. And Bank Nifty, not to forget, ने just new high test, all time high test करके वहाँ पे pause ले रहा है. Bank Nifty is getting pause just near to the new all-time high. It has hit new all-time high last week, about 32,700, and then it has taken a pause, a dip. So this can be just a dip, or this can be the what we can say, false up move toward the all-time high, and now it can start a journey with the Nifty drifts down. So interesting week ahead. Over to you to share your wave counts if you have anything interesting on a Bank Nifty and Nifty.
So ये Nifty spot chart है. I think last few weeks से हम track कर रहे हैं कि ये रुकेगा कहाँ पे. So clearly we can see that wave 5 was extended, when compared to wave 3. The rules of Elliott wave say that wave 3 cannot be the shortest, but it can be the second shortest for sure. So wave 5 looks extended 1.618 times from basically of wave 3.
Okay.
अगर हम हाँ of wave 1, I'm so sorry, yeah, of wave 1. Wave 5 is 1.618 times of wave 1. So that could be a good stopping point. The other thing that we need to notice is जो 20 DMA से हम कितने दूर चले गए, right? 20 DMA Nifty is at 14,357, and we've already gone about 300 points above that. So it is time to be careful, because even if it is a small correction, it can come back to 20 DMA. In case of a sharp correction, it can even come back to the 40 DMA, which is about 13,650, the green line. It happened here.
Yeah.
20 DMA और 40 DMA पे इसने support लिया था. यहाँ पे जो breakdown हुआ था ये 20 DMA से ही लौट गया है, but it's possible that now, you know, this can happen. So yes, it is time to be extremely careful with index long positions and index based stocks long positions.
Yeah.
अगर बैंक निफ्टी,
Yeah, I have a doubt in this Nifty over here. If we assume that this wave 5 has got completed over here after extension, if at all, yet calling it off, it might be. So in normal case, what is the
Yes.
minimum kind of correction we observe?
So the minimum we can expect is back to the previous fourth wave.
Okay, that's somewhere around 10,800,
Okay.
which we have formed in September.
This is 10,800, correct.
Yeah, September.
अब इतना दूर आएगा या नहीं, you know, very hard to say right now,
Yeah,
because it
that
all
different-
depends on how this is shaped out. But clearly यहाँ पे दिख रहा है 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 almost done, you know. So
And if I observe this even fifth wave also looks like a 5 wave done after September lows.
yes. अगर internally हम जाके देखेंगे तो दिखेगा. So which is why, you know, maybe there is 100 points to go, but 100 point के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा risk लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this is Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty also.
Which means I can call it like, 1 second. Yeah, you can post a Bank Nifty chart. Which means I can say that if 14,350 breaks, we can have a stop loss of 14,650 and look for the potential target of 10,800 if we have done some top over here, right?
Yeah, yes.
There can be good probability for this move. That's like, I think approximately 3,000 plus points for a risk of 300 points is worth taking, looking for opportunity.
Yes.
Yeah, interesting then.
In fact, last year का average अगर देखा जाए तो कुछ 11,900 कुछ है. If you take the entire year's candle average.
Okay.
So yeah, so 12,000 से लेके 11,000 के बीच का zone definitely आ सकता है. It is a possibility. We could also look at this parallel channel, the blue channel, right? So first support is here, you know, if it breaks then it can come all the way here. So 12,000 possibility to hai, but let's wait and see how it goes. Okay, Bank Nifty and within the next wave, which is wave 3, it is I think done 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could probably be the end of this third wave. We could even look at it as an ending diagonal here. Interesting point to note, you know, it just kissed the all-time high.
Yeah.
32,650,
700 near about.
Near about. So वहाँ से it is reacted. So again, time to be careful. Though Nifty के comparison में Bank Nifty moving averages से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, but it is definitely time to be a little watchful. What this tells us is Bank Nifty still has some way to go. Nifty can correct deeply, but maybe Bank Nifty's correction will be very shallow. क्योंकि ये थर्ड खत्म किया तो वो फोर्थ के लिए वापस आएगा. Worst case scenario, you know, back to the previous fourth, which is around 29,000. That's the worst case scenario. वहाँ से again it should move up, because only then the impulse wave will be done.
I think if
so this is what we need to keep in mind.
Vijay, I think is there a possibility that Bank Nifty might be doing just a three-wave corrective and then it may also do some larger correction downside, larger move downside? Is there an alternate possibility?
The- theoretically possible है, but I think it's asking for too much क्योंकि इतना deep retracement, spreading almost over a year. I doubt it. I have my doubts about it. क्योंकि volumes भी काफी अच्छे थे bottom में, so I don't think it's a corrective wave. I think इतना divergence मुझे तो याद नहीं है कि एक इंडेक्स इम्पल्स में है एंड दूसरा जो इंडेक्स है वो करेक्टिव में है.
Okay. So
But only time
yeah,
can
let's see what
time can tell.
time says about it.
Yeah. Why I'm also saying this is if you look at the PSU Bank index, right? PSU Bank index, ये monthly है. Assuming that the May bottom was the ultimate bottom of larger wave 2,
Longer time
then
frame.
this is the beginning of an impulse. This is monthly chart. अगर हम इसको वीकली में जाएं या डेली में जाएं, राइट, ऑफ कोर्स वन कैन आर्ग्यू कि क्या पता ये ABC, एक और ABC एंड दिस इज अनदर ABC, बट जो रिवर्सल मंथली में दिख रहा है,
टाइम विल टेल.
so many candles. हाँ, so this is definitely the bottom, which means अगर BSU banks में जान है तो बैंक निफ्टी में अभी जान बाकी है. एंड बैंक निफ्टी के कॉम्पोजिशन कभी भी चेंज कर सकता है. BSE, NSE, right? They can easily take away a couple of private banks and put SBI and whatever, some other PSU banks which are not part of the index. That can also happen. So this tells me that Bank Nifty में भी काफी जान बाकी है. This is the PSU index chart. Within the third wave also, they've just finished 1 and 2. So there is a lot of steam left in this. Okay, so let's look at ITC, one of the three most hated stocks. SBI, ITC, and तीसरा कौन सा स्टॉक था जो सब हेट करते थे? नाम भूल रहा हूँ. I think they've all rallied. एक
Sun Pharma,
ITC ही रह गया है. नहीं, all these stocks were within 200 rupees. Anyway, so SBI is above 300. And here is ITC. ये monthly chart है ITC का. Very clearly, the bottom of March was a large wave 2 correction. देख सकते हैं clearly 61.8% से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही correction हो गया था. And even this, the candle structure tells us that there's a lot of buying at that level. I think even the volumes support massive volumes when compared to all these years. अब आते हैं internal structure.
We have shared this. Vijay. If you remember, we have shared ITC in one of our episodes, in the initial episode, when it was around 160, 170 near about. And we did, you did show the target of wave bottom might have done, and if so, 200 plus possibility was soon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
So we are reviewing it back again.
So I think from correct. काफी महीनों बाद हम इसको cover कर रहे हैं. So I think after our discussion on this chart, it made a high of 210, and then again it went into a deep correction. Right? Typically, towards the end of wave 2, there were a lot of articles, blog posts, complete bashing of the stock by so many people. इन्होंने hotels क्यों खरीद लिया, इनको धंधा चलाना नहीं आता. All kinds of discussions were happening online. Very interesting stuff. So that's also a character of wave 2, when people lose all hope in the stock. And then, it has opened the third wave up. इसके अंदर आपको दिखेंगे पूरा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a nice ABC correction. Again, see how beautifully the 40-day moving average, comes as a support. That's the end of wave 2 within the third wave. So अभी तो इसने third शुरू किया है. So again, this stock can rally big, maybe all the way to this 280 plus zone in the next couple of months. अगले हफ्ते के लिए we can definitely look at a like a 215 or a 220 call, or if because अभी ज़्यादा टाइम बचा नहीं है, we have about two more weeks to go, वरना मैं और दूर का भी बता सकता हूँ, but I think anything between say 220 to 230, that kind of a call we should definitely look at. बहुत ज़्यादा risk भी नहीं है, because even if it corrects a bit for a couple of days, the 20 DMA is at about 209, which is not very far away. So ये stock जरूर देखना चाहिए. Let's look at daily volumes. Yeah, I mean, it looks very healthy. So this is a stock we should look at, because nobody, I think, is looking at it. Then banking space में we could look at Bandhan Bank. Right. So this is a daily chart of Bandhan Bank. It is clearly in a rising channel from the March bottom. And again, wave 1 के बाद wave 2 काफी deep था. And this yellow dotted line is a high volume zone that I marked. There were massive volumes here in the month of August. उसके नीचे आ गया था ये, but then after trying a couple of times, it did go above it, and it closed above it comfortably for many weeks. So I see a correction complete within, again, this is also part of a decent wave 3, wave 1, 2. We could even count this as 3 and this ABC as 4th. It doesn't matter, whichever way it is. I think whenever it turns up, this is a stock that we can definitely look at a futures and options trade. I would look at a 420 call kind of a thing. We can keep a small stop loss, spot price stop loss of maybe 360, and we could look at a trade here. ये अगले 2 हफ्ते में, it can show us 450 plus is what I feel.
Before we wind up, I would like to just give an update over here on a last week trade which we have shared, that above 1450 HDFC Bank can do 1550 kind of levels. But one important pattern formation which happened last week over here is there is a possibility that this can as breakout, there was no follow through on its next day candle, and it has already broken the breakout candle lows. It is holding over there. So important update for the viewers is, if 1440, 1430 below HDFC Bank sustains, it's time to be cautious that this can be the false breakout. If at all this turns as a false breakout, then 1350 can be the likely target in a fast mode. So be alert over here. That's it from us for this weekend. And do subscribe to our channel. Do join the Telegram channel, where a live update will be shared if any pattern failure is taking place.
Yes.
Thank you everyone once again, and do share your feedback. That's it for this week.
See you next week.